This case study is related to the Facebook. Facebook is the big source of which is used through the internet connection. Internet, the founding father of the internet, he mentioned that internet is not just connecting machines, it connects people. If you observe Berners-Lee in 2008, he explained how internet is successfully connecting machines, and through these machines people are going to connect with each other, which is quite evident with the Facebook. And Facebook, which is founded by Zuckerberg in 2004, he mentioned that Facebook allows people to touch with each other. Facebook allows people to share information from each other. Facebook is going to give more power to the internet. And even Facebook is quite ahead from Twitter and Google. Twitter and Google is mostly referred as information machines because they are not going to have that kind of interaction with people just like the Facebook had. If you observe this whole pictorial situation, you can find out the Facebook at the top having a star kind of face in case of internet system. So social networking, which is being successfully represented by the Facebook, it allows more than 50 languages which is being used on the Facebook. So how many people are going to connect? 50 plus communities are connected with each other, and mostly 70% of the non-US community. If you observe the major revenue, more than 17 billion per annum is going to be earned through advertising through this Facebook. Another achievement which have obtained by the Facebook was the issuing of shares, initial public offering IPOs in the Nasdaq in 2012. Before that, Facebook worth was $104 billion. But after that, its worth gone up to $360 billion. In 2014, Facebook purchased WhatsApp and it's worth 19 billion at that time. So if you observe the total number of people or users who are connected to the Facebook, they are close to 1.7 billion. It's a huge amount of people who are connected through Facebook. However, Facebook is going to face different kind of problems which need to be handled properly, including privacy regulation, which is specifically focused by the European Union, inflammatory and extremist contents, which may be uploaded on the Facebook and which may cause some problem with respect to the social connections among the people and specifically political scenarios of the countries. Taxpayer is another important area which need to be handled because offshore profits are held by the Facebook, which is beyond the tax net of US. Secondly, Facebook is playing vital role in the global business. Actually, the technology and innovativeness which have been used to develop the Facebook is far-reaching, is quite extra, you can say, in terms of its power, in terms of its approach. It's having much more power. It can easily handle the increased volume, more people are entering, and automatically it is going to accommodate these people. Secondly, skillful software engineering is there, which allowed to add some kind of artificial intelligence. So you can easily recognize the people, you can recognize the situation and events, you can connect them, and accommodating the millions of new users. Just like extensive data sharing is going on across people, and they are sharing videos, they are sharing pictures, they are sharing different kind of text with each other, and they are commenting on them, they are giving likeness and dislikeness. So pool of like and dislikeness is going to evolve through the Facebook. So ultimately, Facebook is leading towards extensive data sharing, which is allowed to generate more information, and more information allows to get the business, increase the business, get new businesses, find out new opportunities. Secondly, Facebook Connects in 2009 was established, allow linking different kind of websites to other kind of websites, just like the game consoles, and then lot number of creative talent has been explored through the internet, in which you can imagine 500,000 of the apps have been developed by independent developers, which are actually tapped by the Facebook. So they are getting the benefit of using Facebook. They are connected through the Facebook, and Facebook is providing the platform through which they are offering their apps to the public, and public is using these apps through Facebook. So ultimately, Facebook, if you observe that how much investment has been made in the Facebook, Microsoft spent $240 million in 2007, whereas Russian company Digital Skytech invested $200 million in 2009, which just acquired 1.9% of the share, and accordingly you can judge that Facebook worth was at that time 10 million, which was quite huge. So Facebook is providing a powerful marketing tool. Extremely cost effective it is, because you can just place virtually no cost. Quick access, because everybody is going to access quickly. So Google earned a lot of money through the advertising, but Facebook is not going to have specified people. It is the general users and vast majority. So it is quite difficult to advertise to the specific people, because advertisers are required specific community to whom they want to advertise their product. Legal regulations are also imposing some kind of restrictions for the Facebook. Therefore, Facebook has to take care of that.